Today we're going to be looking at how fractions are just division problems, but they're turned sideways. So if you have this problem here, 5 cookies shared by 2 friends, that means you're taking 5 cookies and you're splitting them up into groups of 2. So there's a couple different ways you can split up into groups of 2. You can take each individual one and split it up into 2 parts, and then give them out to each friend. So this is friend 1, friend 2, friend 1, friend 2, friend 1, friend 2, friend 1, friend 2, friend 1, friend 2. So you can see how much each friend gets. So if you're looking at how much friend 1 gets, they get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Well, let's look at how much one part is. One part is a half. This is half. So you get 1 half, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves, 5 halves. So 5 halves, which is equal to 2 and 1 half. So 5 divided by 2 can be written as a fraction, 5 divided by 2. And it can be simplified to a mixed number, 2 and a half. 14 pages shared by 3 people. If you were reading a book between 3 people and you had 14 pages to go, and each person was going to read the same amount, you would take each page and divide it by 3, or like we did here, where we took each one and divided it by 2, or we can make groups of 3. Here I was able to make 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3, and I have 2 left over. So I'm going to split each one of those up into thirds. Okay? So this is going to person 1, person 2, person 3, person 1, person 2, person 3. So we can see how much each person gets. So person 1 gets 1 whole, 2 whole, 3 wholes, 4 wholes, 1/3, 2/3. So 4 and 2/3. This can be represented as a fraction because we took 14 pages, we shared it among 3 people, so that's 14 thirds. And 14 thirds written as a mixed number is 4 and 2/3.